Morning, Gary. Thought I'd just do a quick video. Pulled in your 3 or 4 of your data sets into Geoappsmart. So let's just walk through a demo of it. So you've seen all this stuff before, I think, in the video, but we'll just log into the application. We do an initial cache or a little initial load of the data, and we've got 4 data sets here that I pulled from what you gave or what you shared. You see it on the map here. In this layers widget, we're actually just going to focus on special events just for this demo. I'm not going to show any of these other widgets. We're just going to focus on this manage data widget, which is where the offline stuff's controlled. As I mentioned, we're going to just focus on special events. We've actually got this subdivided into different groups, so we could edit these as well as a separate group, but let's, for the demo, just focus on special events. We're going to take this area offline. Again, you've seen this before, so we'll click that. That's basically downloading the base map and the feature services on top of that base map. We get an OK to say we're done. Let's just do that. We're ready to go offline. I'm actually going to just click this go offline button here, and it reloads the application. So we're now reading from the device. We're not reading on the internet anymore. Let's just prove the point. We'll actually go in on my device. Hopefully you can see this. I'm just going to set my device to airplane mode, so we know we're fully offline. Let's just reload the application just to make sure we've got everything. We're good. We'll zoom back just slightly. You can see we haven't got the tiles around the application here, which means we're just loading from what we've got stored locally in IndexedDB. I'm actually going to focus on this particular area over here, this particular feature. We'll open the data manager again, and we can actually just click on the point, and we'll see that we've actually filtered the output from the feature itself, so you can make some fields editable within the application. You can make other fields not editable. You can include all fields or some fields. I've just included 3 fields here. So a standard edit to this feature would be, let's imagine we do a grate with 2 T's, chocolate race. Now we've already got attachment. We could add additional attachments to this if we want, full offline mode, but we're just going to do that edit, and we'll click the save button. Again, you've probably seen in the other video, there's a green ring around the point just to say this is local data. It hasn't yet been pushed to the back end. So let's go ahead and put this back into online mode. I'm going to turn offline off, and we're connecting. And when that's done, looks like we're ready. We'll just hit the go online button. So we've come in from the field. We're in the office now. We've got a good connection. We're going to go online. Everything reloads. We're in full online mode now. So what I'm going to do here actually is, hopefully you can see this, I'm just going to pull up developer tools, and we'll just do this network piece. So the standard approach we take in this application is to make users push that data to the back end. So that's why we've got this check-in offline data. Number of ways we could do this, but we actually make users do this themselves. Now I know this isn't editable data you've given to me, so what I'm going to show you here is that there's a call that goes to your back end to push this data to it. So that's in that window on the right. So let's just check in offline data, and you can see there it says apply edit. So that's the push of the data to the back end. So it could be one edit in this case, and it could be multiple, but we do an apply edits there against each of the features that have been edited, new, edit or delete, and that should hit the back end, and you get a checkout that says, you get a pop-up that says check-in complete, and we're done. So that's the application. That's your data. I'll send this on to you, and we can have another conversation if you'd like, and we can talk a little bit more about this. Okay, thanks, Gary.